Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one we're talking about how to use source citations for academic writing in NotebookLM. Alright, so just open up your project workspace. I'll just open my untitled notebook. Then guys, ensure that your research PDFs are fully uploaded and checked active in the far left sources panel. If you want to upload, just click on add sources, upload files here from your computer. Then move into the center chat workspace pane to query your data. For academic writing, you can instruct the AI specifically. So right after uploading your files, you can give it these kind of instructions. So when the model generates its response, it won't just spit out raw text blocks. It injects small, clickable inline numbered citation badges directly next to its sentences. These numbers map exactly and directly to your original text files, serving as an automated guardrail against fabricated information. And also guys, to verify the accuracy of a generated claim, you can click directly on any numbered citation badge within the chat window. An interactive overlay window slides open, revealing the exact verbatim quotes extracted from your source PDF along with the specific page number. And also you can copy this verified context chunk over to your word processor. That is it. This is how your academic writing workflow will be fully backed by verified text strings, making fast checking your research completely effortless. Enjoy the guide and see you soon.